Hey guys, today we're doing two super cool science experiments. For this experiment, we need a container, baking soda, vinegar, and some clay to make it look like a book.
Let's start with our first experiment, the volcano.
Yes, they're fun, easy, and a little bit crazy. Then we slow and baking soda on top.
And now what happens?
Whoa, look at that foam.
If we add baking soda to vinegar, it foams.
Experiment 2, Quick Fire. Now let's move to our second experiment.
Important. This experiment needs safety precautions.
Yes, always use gloves and be very careful.
The materials are potassium permanganate, glycerin, a piece of cloth, a tile, and non-flammable superfice.
We also need gloves, and we already brought in permanganate, grease, and in. Then we put the piece of glove on top of the tile.
Next, we careful and the potassium permanganate on the cloth.
Remember, always handle it gloves.
Now we add a small amount of glycerin depending on how much permanganate we.
And then we move away to avoid breathing the smoke.
Whoa, it's on fire. The third experiment is non-Newtonian liquid. For this experiment, we only need two materials, cornstarch and water. Now let's start step by step. First, I pour the cornstarch into a container. The amount of water depends on how much cornstarch you use. Then I slowly add water little by little. I mix in with my hands until I get right texture. Look, it feels solid when I press it, but it becomes liquid when I relax my hand. This is so amazing. If you add water to cornstarch, it becomes a liquid. This is called a non-Newtonian liquid because it changes depending on the pressure. Science is amazing, right?